How to use IKEA Projekt Credit Card for big purchases. If you're planning a large IKEA purchase, the IKEA Projekt Credit Card can help you spread payments without interest. Here's how you can work. So, first thing you can do is go to your IKEA Projekt card, search for it on your web browser, and just open it up. So when you make a single IKEA purchase of $500 or more using the project card, you can automatically qualify for a special 0% financing. You don't need to apply it separately, the offer is applied automatically at checkout. And you'll get a 6 months off of no interest financing for purchases between $500 and $1,000, and 12 months purchase between $1,000 and $2,500, and 24 months for anything above $2,500. And each qualifying purchase gets its own financing plan with a separate timeline. That means if you try to buy items at different times, then each one gets its own 0% promo window without affecting the others. If you haven't already, you can always sign up for a new IKEA Projekt Credit Card right here. You can either tap on the sign in button if you have your card, or you could just click on apply to get a new one. You could also see different kind of promotional balances on your monthly statements as long as you pay them off within the promo period. You won't pay a cent in interest. Just be sure to make the least minimum payment each month, and ideally you can pay more if you want to stay ahead. After the promo ends, the regular APR of 21.99% applies to any remaining balances. So that's how you can make big purchases using the IKEA Projekt Card. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.